bufumhlaba.
Kulungile.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu.
Yebo.
I am Mr. Mnisi.
Mina ke ngiyumnumzana uMnisi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. The day that we've been always looking forward to that it would come, it has just arrived. You still remember the first time we met, it was at some consultation many weeks ago.
Uyilanga ke bukade ke ulifisela ke selize lafika ke ukuthi ke ungazoba la enkantolo uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ke kumaviki nje andlulile sike sahlala phansi ke sanokuxoxisana.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. Just feel comfortable, feel at home, just be free.
Ngicela nje ukhululeke ke babuzizwe usekhaya ukhululeke.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. A court, I normally say, is the freest place you can ever find around.
Ngivamisa ukuthi ke inkantolo nje indawo nje ongayithola ke ekhululekile ongayithola kuyona.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you, Babu Zungu. Is it correct, Babu Zungu, that you originally from KZN?
Ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi emuva ekhaya ke noma ubuya eKZN KwaZulu Natal?
Yebo ngibuya khona.
Yes, that's where I am originally from.
Thank you. Sorry. Babu Zungu, the reason why you have been requested to come to assist the court is because your name has been mentioned in the course of this trial, not only once, twice, but on several occasions.
Isizathu sokuthi ubizweke ukuthi ke uzosiza noma uzolekelela ke inkantolo ukuthi ke igama lakho khulunyiwe ngalo akhulunywanga kanye ngalo noma kabili kodwa nje amahlandla amaningi.
Now, your name has been mentioned amongst others by Brigadier Kininda.
Phakathi ke kwabantu ababizileke noma bashilo igama lakho uBrigadier Kininda.
Your name has also been mentioned by Constable Sizwe Zungu.
Naye ke uConstable Sizwe Zungu.
Do you follow?
Ungabe uyalandela?
Yes.
Yes, I hear.
Now, I realize that Constable Sizwe Zungu and yourself are sharing the same surname.
Manje ke ngitholayo ke ukuthi wena ke kanye naye uConstable Sizwe Zungu nesibongo esisodwa.
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you perhaps know him?
Ingabe uyamazi yini?
Yamazi.
I know him.
Can you explain to this court how do you know him?
Ungayichazela lenkantolo ukuthi umazi kanjani?
Ngathi nje njengoba kuyingane yami.
I'll just say that he's my child.
Ngiyamazi ngalokho okuningi noma behlala eKhabonini mina ngimkhulise eseKhabonini.
I know him although he was staying at his mother's place. I raised him although he was staying at his mother's home.
Thank you.
Ukukhula kwakhe ke ngiyamazi wakhula ke wase umuntu oqede esikoleni wasethi usethola usafuna umsebenzi.
I know him whilst growing up. He grew up. He then completed his schooling and then he informed me that he was now looking for employment.
Yes.
Wase ngitshena ukuthi usethola ukuthi ayothola training yamaphoyisa.
He then informed me that he was then invited to attend to police training.
Ngase ngiyakubonga ke nami lokho ukuthi usebe nethuba lokuthola umsebenzi ngaphansi kahulumeni.
I was also grateful that he now had an opportunity to get employment from the government.
Wabuya ke sebuya ke sengitshena ukuthi useqedile usela ngakho umthetho ukuba iphoyisa ufuna ube ne driving license.
He then came back, informed me that he completed his his training, and then that it was then required of him now for the job that he was to do to have a driver's license.
Ngakwazi ukumkhokhela ke nokunye nje okuzindle ngamkhokhela ukuthi awuthola ilicense yakhe.
I was then able to pay for him to be able to get that driver's license as well as other needs or things that he needed. I paid for that.
Nokunye okungiphazamisile nje ngaye uke wasuka eseqashiwe sesebenza wathanda nje ukwenza into engasile le engalungile le ekhaya kodwa ke sabuye sakhuluma ke saqeda ngazama ukumyala.
The other thing that disturbed me about him was that after now getting employment, he came back, he would go home and then he would then do things or something that is just not good. And but I spoke to him about that. I reprimanded him.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu.
We object against this kind of evidence, which is character evidence. It is irrelevant and inadmissible.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. We know that you might have a history with him, but suffice to say that you know him, he is your son.
Baba siyazi ukuthi ke ungaba nomlando onawo naye kodwa nje akwanele ukuthi nje uyamazi uyindodana yakho.
Do you understand?
Kezwakala baba?
Ngiyakuzwa.
I understand.
Thank you.
Umlayezo engawubeka nje njengaye uqalile ukusebenza kwase kuthi mase kumanje phakathi kwase ngibonisa ukuthi khona indlela wafika kimi ngile ngingazi futhi engantshenanga lutho
Ungazi ukuthi uzofika. What I can say is that as he had started with his employment, he then came to see me unannounced.
Mr. Zungu, I know we'll come to that, but at least give me the opportunity to lead you, you understand?
Baba uZungu sizofika lapha. Uthi ubaba umnisi uyacela ukuthi ke ulindele kuyena kube uyena okuholayo. Siyezwana baba.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Your name, as it was mentioned in the context of this trial, as I've said, your name came out during the testimony of Sizwe Zungu and Brigadier Kininda. It was in the context of this trial where these gentlemen that you're seeing here are standing trial.
Nanjengoba ngishilo ke kuwena ukuthi ke igama lakho liye lavela ke khona lana livela ke noma qhamuka ngaye ke uSizwe Zungu kanye naye ke uBrigadier Kininda kuleli cala ke eliqulwayo phambi kwale nkantolo icala njengoba ubona ke ukuthi kunalabalisa abahlezi lapha yana.
Do you understand?
Kezwakala baba?
Yes.
I understand.
Now, it's normal procedure. It's normal practice that before you proceed, I should actually ask you if now that you are appearing here at court and these people that this court is all about are also appearing here, if you know any of them, and if so, how do you know them?
Kuyinjalo noma ke into evamsekileke ukuthi nanjengoba manje sewula enkantolo ke ukuthi ulana nabalabalisa ke behlezi lapha yana ukuthi ke ingaba uyabazi yini ubona na bebe u5 behlezi lapha yana ukuthi uyabazi yini?
Hayi. Ngazi nango uzalwa umzawa.
Ukhomba muphi?
No aphoqokezi. Oh angiqale ngapha.
Yes.
Ngazi nango.
Yes.
Usibi.
I know ngicela ukukhulumela phezulu.
Ungumakhelwana wami lo.
Usibi. I know Sibiya is my neighbor. And then
uzalwa umzawa wami ngakwantanzi eduzane kodwa ukusuka kithi uya kubo 10 minutes.
And then Ntanzi is my cousin's child. From my place to his place, it's about 10 minutes.
Yes.
Yebo.
Cha, hayi. Abafowethu abanye angibasi.
The others, no, I don't know.
Noma bona baya kodwa ke ngakuphawula ukuthi ngenseka bona baya ngazo omunye wabo.
It's possible.
Ukuthi siyahambelana endaweni siyahamba siyahamba ade singabantu udlala namabhola. Konye omunye kuba nemicimbi emakhaya konye omunye wabo uyangibona mina ngeke ngiphawule lutho okuthile mayingazi.
Yes.
It's possible that one of them might know me. We visit each other back home in the villages. We've got gatherings. We play football. So it's possible that one of them might have seen me or might know me, but I don't know them.
Thank you. Now, your name, as it was introduced to this court, it was introduced by Brigadier Kininda, who said that, or who indicated that they got an information from your son, who is Constable Sizwe Zungu, that you have got information about the involvement of one or two of these accused in the killing of Senzo Meyo.
Igama lakho nanjengoba ngishilo ke ukuthi laqhamuka naye uBrigadier Kininda othi yena ke watshelwa indodana yakho uSizwe Zungu ukuthi wena ke unolwazi onalo ukuthi ke oyedwa noma amabili kubona ke abasolwa labo banento ke noma nesandla noma banolwazi abanalo ke ngokufa kukaSenzo Meyiwa.
Do you understand?
Ngabe uyezwa yini?
Ngiyazwa
I
kodwa
understand.
Which is the,
ngiyazwa kodwa uGininda mayisho njalo angwemukeli lokho ukuthi
I understand, but when Kininda said that, I did not accept it. Yebo.
ngoba kwayena lo Gininda
Mr.
ukhulunywa.
Babuzo.
okay, thank you. Which is the reason why we've then requested you to come and assist this court to clarify what you've just referred to as something that you don't agree with.
Isona ke isathu leso baba esikubangeleke ukuthi ke bizeke lana enkantolo ukuthi uzolekelela yona ke inkantolo ukona ke lokho qeda ukusho ukuthi cha akusiyona ke into ohambisana nayo leyo
The one that you said Kininda said.
lokho othi ke uGininda wakusho.
Do you understand?
Uyezwakala baba?
Ngiyakuzwa.
I understand.
Thank you. You were just about to explain something when I said, can you please allow me to lead you?
Kukhona ke okusezokusho uma nje bengisacela ke mina ngithi cha ngivumele ukuthi ngikhole.
Yes.
Khona ke busezokusho.
In our course of consultation, you made mention of your meeting with your son in Ermelo.
Emelo.
Yes. Yes.
Uma ke bengangihlezi phansi nawe sikhulumisana ke noma sixoxisana ke kukhona ke owakusho ngomhlangano owaba nawo nendodana yakho eEmelo.
Ngeke ngisho ukuthi kwaba umhlangano.
I wouldn't say it was a meeting.
Yes.
Ukufika kwakhe nami ngimthatha ukuthi uvakashele ufike kimi ngoba ngewubaba wakhe.
Upon his arrival, I just took it that he came to see me as his father or because I am his father.
Now, before we proceed, if you so remember that which you are saying, you did not regard it as a meeting, can you still recall the year and approximately the month at which that happened?
Ingabe usawukhumbula yini unyaka noma ke inyanga ekwenzeka ngako ekwenzeka ngayo lokho?
Hayi noma ngayikhumbula inyanga.
Although-
Kodwa
Okay.
noma ngayikhumbula inyanga. Kodwa ngiyazi amalanga bekwenzeka ngawo kufike lo mfana kimi. Bekula ko 20 ngisazi la 2017 2018 kakhulu.
Although I won't be able to remember the month, but I do remember 2017, but mostly 2018.
Yes. You can explain to this court what happened.
Isho ke kwenzekani?
Hayi kushuthi nje mina njengomuntu bengumuntu osebenzayo.
I was employed
Ngisebenza emine.
employed at the mines.
Kodwa umfana wami akaze eze njalo uqala ukuza ngalezo ikhathi bengazange eze la ngisebenza khona.
But my son or my boy never came to my place of work. He only started to come during those times. Yebo.
Obekwenzeka ke ebefika ebusuku
What used to happen is that he would arrive at night
engafoni.
without having called. who made a telephone call.
Okwathatha amalanga nenyanga ekwenza lokhu mayifika kimi engafoni.
Which he did for days and months. He would just arrive without having a telephone called me.
Thank you, Mr. Zulu. Would you perhaps know how did he know where you were living or where you were working?
Ingabe ungasho yini ukuthi wazi noma wayazi kanjani ukuthi uhlala kuphi nokuthi usebenza kuphi?
Wayekwazi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi.
He knew where I was working.
Ukuhlala wayengakwazi ukuthi ngihlala.
He didn't know where I was staying.
Yes, but would you know how he got to know where you were working?
Kodwa ungabe uyazi yini ukuthi wayazi kanjani ukuthi usebenza kuphi? Uyazi yini?
Ukuthi ngisebenza ngangisho nami mangikhuluma nawe uyangazi ukuthi ngisebenza bengisebenza.
I would mention it when talking to him so he knew where I was working.
Okay, thank you. You may proceed.
Yebo.
Shuthi ke ngalawo malanga ngazi ke mina ngathatha ukuthi ingane iyafika nje ngoba phela ezalwa kithi.
On those days he would arrive and I would take it as if he just came because I am his father.
Wafika kwathi ngelanga ngisemsebenzini wafona.
He arrived on a particular day when I was at work and he called or he contacted me telephonically.
Lapho engihlala khona ngihlala endlini yemqasho.
Where I am staying, it is a place that is being rented out, or that I'm renting.
Wase ngichazela ukuthi ngimbuza ukuthi ukuphi wathi ufonula iML.
When I inquired from him as where he was as he was making this telephone call, he then informed me that he was in Emelo.
Inkinga yami enkulu ke ngabe sengimbuza ukuthi yini indaba ongafoni yini ufike ebusuku.
My greatest concern then or problem was, why don't you call? Why are you arriving during the night or at night?
Engakwenza ke ngicina ngikwenza ngase ngithi akavala ifoni ngisafonela laba abanye abazi endlini yami.
What I then did, I then said to him, I'm switching off the phone or I'm dropping the call. I'm then calling the others that he knows where I am staying.
Ngafonela indodana yomsawami yakubwakhe engimkhombayo umbhekiseni.
I then phoned my cousin's son, Mbekiseni. He is a relative of, and then the witness is pointing towards the direction of the accused.
Ubaba uyedwa wala abangisho ozala lapho ozala lo Mbekiseni na.
Mbekiseni nawo, Mbekiseni umfowabo. They are sharing a file that is now Skuluma. Okay, ngicela sibahlukadise baba. Skuluma umuphi? Babili la. Untanzi. Mbekiseni is Ntanzi's a brother. They've got the same father.
Yes.
Ngase ngiyamazi ukuthi akasebenzi ufuna umsebenzi.
I know that he's unemployed, he's still looking for employment.
Isikhiye sami futhi uyasazi lapho engisifihla khona noma ngisemsebenzini.
He also knows where I hide my key, even if I am at work.
Uyazi futhi obangibekela lesi sikhiye lapha nje ukuthi ngiyamazi ukuthi akasebenzi konye uzofuna mayibuya kofuna umsebenzi abuya lambini afika astophe lapha engisibeke khona isikhiye ngisifihla khona.
He also knows that I'm very much aware that he is unemployed. Then upon his return, when he goes out to go and look for employment, upon his return, he might come back hungry, so he would know where I hide my key. He would just take the key from there.
Now we're talking about Mbekiseni.
Mbekiseni.
That is correct.
Thank you.
Ngase ke ngokwazi ukuthi akasebenzi ngase ngifonela omunye abahlala nabe engibaziyo ngoba siyesambelana siyabahlala nobani. Ngase ngifonela yena ngicela ukuthi amnikeze imali yokuya edrobheni. Anikeze uMbekiseni.
I then called someone else who I also know to be staying with them, and then made a request to that particular individual to provide Mbekiseni with money so that Mbekiseni can travel to town.
Mangi ngayithola ke imali ngatshena uMbekiseni ukuthi akahamba ilande kulona engiyithole kuye. Ngafonela uSizwe ngamtshela ukuthi uyeza uMbekiseni uzokulanda. Ngizonikeza amafoni ngapha nangapha.
I then was then able to receive the money. I contacted Mbekiseni and told him who I got the money from. for him to go to that person, get the money, and then go to town. I then contacted Sizwe and informed him that Mpegiseni was on his way to come and fetch you. I then gave them in other words, I gave Mpegiseni Sizwe's number, contact numbers. I gave Sizwe Mpegiseni's contact numbers. I exchanged their numbers.
Ngase ngibalayela ukuthi omunye akame kuphi nalona aye kuphi. Ngamlayela ngesipha ukuthi kuzoma la kufakwa khona impahla nalona ngizomtshela kanjalo futhi maningatholani.
I then told them or informed them as to where to wait. In other words, where should the other one wait for the other. Told him about the spa and then told the other one where to go and get the other one.
Yes.
Nangempela batholana ke wamthatha kuMbhekiseni wafika wamvulela endlini wangena ngamthola ebusuku mina mangibuya bangangena ngo2 ngishayisa u10.
Indeed, they found each other. Mpegiseni then took him home, and then when I knocked off at night, I found him at home because I started my shift at 2 and knocked off at 10 by 10.
Yes.
Ngase ngihambisa ke sengithatha ngikhokha imali ke yale bengikhokhe ebengithe uMbhekiseni akayilanda ngawunikeza lo mnikazi wemali ke yime ngakhokhayo hayi ukuthi usizo.
I am the one then who went to this particular individual from whom I had borrowed the money.
Yes.
Now to go and refund him. I am the one who refunded him, not Sizwe.
Yes.
Hayi ngifike ngikhulumisane naye ke ebusuku nami ngingamthathi nje ke mawalo bangangichasukile ukuthi kungana ngafoni. Hayi sikhulume nje bese ngiyalala ke mina. Sixoxe nje kwasekhaya.
We then spoke about domestic things or family matters. And I was not harsh with him, and although I was angry with the fact that he came without calling, I then went to bed.
Lingena kanjani kokuqala igama lika Sibiya. Ilona aqala ukukhuluma ngalo kimi. Ngakusasa nje ngangipheka nje. Lapha embhedeni.
How we then got to Sibiya's name, because that's the first name that he mentioned. That was now in the morning. I was busy cooking. Spoke about Sibiya.
Now, when you say Sibiya, who's that?
Ubani Sibiya? Ngakhuluma ngoSibiya?
Umuzi.
Muzi.
Oh,
Witness is pointing.
Thank you. You may proceed.
Yeah.
Shuthi ke suka lapho ke uhleli lapha embhedeni. Sethi kimi. Weba uyamazi.
Yamazi? Lo.
Wathi wabamba ifoni kanje.
Oh.
Ngoba ngenze nje. Wathi uyamazi lo.
He then speaks to me and say, Father, do you know this one? He was holding a phone like this, as the witness is indicating, and then he's pointing me to the phone. Do you know this one?
Ngasondela ke mina ngabuka la.
I came closer and I looked as to who it was.
Ngokuthi nesithombe lesi sasigqame ngalendlela enhle. Ngambona ukuthi ngaqala ngathi mina awuyaqoka kahle lensizwe.
Because the picture was so clear, so crystal clear, my first words was, hey, this gentleman is so nicely dressed, so well dressed.
Wasegxeka ke ngambona ke phela abantu bayakwazi ukugxeka wasegxeka ke lokho ukuthi ngikhuluma ngokuthi ugqoke kahle.
And he criticized the fact that I now gave the compliment that he was well dressed.
So he was jealous.
Ngase ngiyambuza ukuthi ngoba efile sithombe ngithi umnikazi walesi sithombe lo muntu amshuthayo wacela kuye wanikezwa uye nemvumo ukuthi umshuthe.
I then asked or inquired from him, now the person depicted on this photo, did you ask for permission from this person and then the person agreed that you take a picture of him?
Wangiphendula njalo lo cha baba ngamtshontsha.
He then answered me very well or clearly and said, no, it's a stolen one, it's a stolen picture.
Yes.
Lesi sithombe wayihleli ebhenchini eyedwa futhi.
This picture, he was seated on a bench. It was him alone on this bench.
Ngase ngiyamyala ke mina ukuthi lalela la sisi. Ifoni idalela ukuthi wayithenga ukuthi nikwazi ukuxhumana nokubikelana izinto eziningi. Hayi ukuthi ushuthe umuntu ningaxoxile naye.
I then said to him or mentioned to him, or in other words reprimanded him that The purpose of a phone is so that there is communication or there is telephone contact between people, and not that you then would take a picture without having discussed with a person.
Thank you, Mr. Zoom. Now, when he showed you the picture of that person in that phone, were you able to ultimately identify who that person in the picture was?
Siyabonga ke babuzungu. Manje ke uma esekhombisa ke lesi sithombe lesi, uma ubheka wena wabona ukuthi ubani loya?
Cha ngambona.
Yes, I did.
Who was that person?
Kwakubani?
KwakuMoses Sibiya.
It was Moses Sibiya.
Moses, we are the one that's before court.
Moses
actually.
Sibiya lo phambi kwenkantolo.
Yebo lo phambi kwenkantolo.
Yes, the one before court.
Nokuthi kwake ngaba nesikhathi ngokuthi ngiyabazi phela leke ngasakhulile thina na. Sikhulile. Ngoba lona nje uthi mkhulu kimi.
Because there is this age gap or age difference between us, I am grown up.
Yes.
He refers to me as a grandpa.
Yes.
That's how Sibiya refers to me.
Kwangithatha isikhathi ke ngisakhumbula ukuthi ngithi mina kodwa ngokwasibiya.
It took me
igama noma ngasalazi konje uthi ubani ngoba igenge entsha le.
Yes.
Ingapha izingane kakhulu kuna.
It took me time to be able to, to remember the name, but I was able to tell and say that he is from the Sibiya surname or Sibiya clan, although I could not remember the name because he's much younger than me.
Thank you. You're reprimanding him and saying to him, look, a phone was never meant to take photos of people that you haven't discussed with them. It was only made for contact and messages.
Asiqhubekeke suka la ugcine khona ke baba ukuthi yila wasemyala khona ukuthi iphone yenzele lokho hayi ukuthi ntshontshe isithombe somuntu asiqhubekeke lapho.
Cha kwaba yilokho ke ngase nala igama sengikhumbulile sengimtshela.
It was that, and also now when I was able to remember the name and I told him, yebo.
Ngase ngimtshela ukuthi kuyingozi ukuthi uthathe ifoni ufone umuntu ushuthe umuntu ungacelanga kuye.
I informed him that it was dangerous to take your phone, take a picture of a person without having asked that particular person.
Yes.
Kwaba yilokho ke ngimtshela ngakho kuzoba ingozi kusasa ngoba kuzokwenzeka kunendawo konye okugangwe kuye. Wena masokuthatheka lesithombe sesithathwa sesitholakala lapho kunengozi khona noma kwenzeka ukuthi usiyaboshwa lesemase bephethe isithombe sebebuza ukuthi unganasi isithombe sakho na.
I informed him that it is also dangerous. Let's say something happens wherever, and then, or maybe there's an accident wherever, and then a person can then be arrested based on that because they would then take the phone and say, but here is your picture.
Sebeyambopha ke makutholakala lesi sithombe ke umuntu usiyaboshwa.
And then now when finding this picture or this photo, the person now gets arrested.
Ngithi mina seliyomehlula nakuphi sekuyothuna ecala ngoba kutholakala isithombe sakhe.
I then go on to say that the person will then be found to be on the wrong or to be, let's say, be found guilty, convicted because of the photo.
Yes.
Hayi ngase ngimiyeka ke lapho.
And then that's where I stopped.
Uthe ntambama asithi ethi kimi yazwe baba.
And then late afternoon, he then says to me, you know, Father,
Uthi ngiyahamba ngambe ngifuna abantu la ababulala uMeyi.
I am going around looking for people who killed Meyiwa.
Yes.
Lithe lama wasuka eGoli ngoba sezwa nakuma radio nakuphi kukhulunywa ukuthi sokushona uMeyi.
I then say to him, you come all the way from Gauteng because we've heard over the radio wherever that Meyiwa had been killed.
Wazomfuna lapha na endlini la kuhlala khona mina.
And you come here where I am staying and come and look for them here where I'm staying.
Wasethanda ukungihleka nje ehleka ungathi wakuthatha nje njengentelule ngamiyekela.
He took that lightly and he laughed, and then it ended there.
Sase sixoxo kunyeke kuthema wahamba.
And then we discussed something else. He then left.
Kanti engikushiyile ngiyaxolisa ukuthi khona engikushiyile ukuthi ngoba wayiqala ngqa ukufika kimi.
Apologies that I left something out. It was for the very first time since he started working that he came to me.
Wathi kimi mangimbuza ngokufika ebusuku wathi hayi ngisukele eGoli ngihlwele ngibona ukuthi eNewcastle ngeke ngisakhona ukufika yikho ngithe nje ngijike ngilale la.
He then said to me that I left Gauteng very late, and I then realized that it would be very late for me to get to Newcastle. I then decided to sleep over here.
Okwenzeka lapho ngigade ukuthi uzobheka eNewcastle phela ngangisabuza nje nangeingane ukuthi yokhonza mawufikile ekhaya. Okwenzeka lapho ke wasuka wathatha isikhwama sakhele sasigodlile wabuyela eGoli. Akabange saya le.
I was still looking that he was still going to proceed with his journey to Newcastle, and then I also asked him to pass my greetings with the children in Newcastle, but he did not proceed to Newcastle. He took the bag that he came with and came back to Gauteng.
Wahlala engekho. Ngoba abantu abanye basebemazi, sebeze bemazi manje. Wafika futhi ngokulandelayo. Engafonanga futhi. Wafika sekusebusuku.
He stayed, he was away for some time, and now what then happened is that now the other people were also now aware of him, they knew him. And then again he arrived without having telephone called me, he arrived at night.
Ahlale nje bakhona indawo ke behamba evakavakashele kuzo ngakusasa ekseni. Avakavakashele ngiyazi ukuthi phela igenge le okanye wayengihlonipha yena ngokuthi wayengaphuzi phambi kwami noma ngangibona ukuthi uyofuna ukuphuzwayo.
There would be certain places that he would go and visit. Although I knew that he would go and look for something to drink, but he never drank in front of me or in my presence.
Wasethi ke kimi esihlalile nje sebuya lapha abuya khona. Wasethi kimi webaba besacela ukuthi ukwazi ukusisiza usifakazele.
He then said to me, Father, my request to you is that you please assist us and testify for us or testify on our behalf.
Ngibuze ke mina ukuthi ngifakazele unobani mawuthi wena ngicela usisize usifakazele unobani lokho.
I then asked him, when you say I should testify, in other words, the you is in plural, not singular, so it's you and who that I should testify for.
Wasethi unoGininda.
He then said, him and Gininda.
Ngibuza ukuthi yini lenifuna nginifakazele kuyo na.
I then asked, what is it that you want me to testify for you about?
Wathi sixoxile noGininda ukuthi besicela ukuthi ungakwenzi kube nzima.
I then said to me, myself and Gininda discussed, and then the request is that you do not make it to be difficult. Yebo?
Hayi besicela ukuthi uma usifakazela ushintshe isibongo uzoshintsha isibongo nje akuzubana nke ngishintshe isibongo ushiye esinye isibongo.
And that it won't be difficult, or it won't be a difficult thing to do, that when you testify, you change the surname.
Masethi ke ayisixoxile nje noGininda ungashintsha uthi ukhumalo.
He then said that no, myself and Gininda discussed this, you can just change and say you are Khumalo.
Hayi ase sigcina siphikisana ngithi mina uyayibona lento ngitshenayo nakanti oba phela loGininda nguphuzile ngaloGininda.
We then ended up having an argument. I then said to him, but can you see now this thing with you and this Gininda? I told you about this Gininda.
Ungitshena futhi ngoGininda mina kangimazi.
Again, you tell me about Gininda that I don't know.
Wathula ke wathi oh hayi sengiyekile baba sengiyekile.
He then kept quiet and said, no, I've no longer proceeded with it, Father, I've stopped.
Wasehamba bengahlali u3 days 2 days bekuba efike namhlanje kusasa uyahamba wahamba kwayeGoli.
He then left because he would not stay 2 days 3 days, but maybe he would arrive today, then the following day, and then he would leave. He then left, came back to Gauteng.
Sengimkhuzileke ngalokho ngeke ngize ngumele lokho kushoyo othi wena udibene noGininda hlukana noGininda ngoba umazi nizongena enkingeni mawuthi usumazi kanjani loGininda.
I then reprimanded him, saying to him that you don't know this Gininda, stop this thing of you and Gininda, you will end up in trouble.
Uthema esehambile eseGoli wafona
Once he had now left and was in Gauteng, he then contacted me telephonically.
Angifuni futhi ukuqamba manje ukhuluma iqiniso engakusho kuye.
I don't want to tell lies. I will tell the truth of what it is that I said to him.
Wathi ucela ukuze ukuthi webaba lokho esikucelile ungasizana.
He said to me that, Father, I wanted to hear the request that I made to you. Will you be able to assist us?
Ngase ngithi mina ngangibhizi nje ngisebenza ngase ngithi mina kuye hayi okay kulungile.
I was busy working. I then said to him, okay, it's fine.
Ngangushiso yini lokho na?
The reason why I said that, or what is it that made me to say that?
Ngangifuna ukwazi ukuthi umfana wami obethi nje ngumzali ingane yami ukuthi lento ayishoyo kimi ngoGininda athi mayikhuluma into afaka uGininda ngangifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngabe ngempela uGininda naye uyakwazi lokho usuke kushilo kuwe.
What I wanted to know is, with him being my son and I being his father, what he was telling me about Gininda, whether it was indeed true. Did Gininda say this to him?
Uthe ngelinye ilanga wafona uGininda.
And then on a particular day, Gininda telephone called me.
Wathi uGininda ke mi ninjani mzilikazi kaMashobane.
And then he wanted to know from me as to how I was doing and referred to me by my clan name Zilikazi Kamashobane.
Ngathi mina sorry ushaye wrong number. Angise umzilikazi.
I then informed him that sorry, that's a wrong call, a wrong number. I am not Mzilikazi.
So this Mzilikazi Kamashobane, how do you link Mzilikazi Kamashobane with the Khumalo surname?
Manje ke umzilikazi kaMashobane umhlanganisa kanjani nesibongo lesi sakwaKhumalo?
Ubani?
Umzilikazi kaMashobane umhlanganisa kanjani noKhumalo? Ubahlangana kanjani?
Isithakazelo.
Okay. That is now when you are praise singing, that is now the Khumalo clan when you say umzilikazi kaMashobane.
So Gininda, when it spoke to you over the phone, was already referring you to the clan name of the Khumalos, a surname that they say you must now adopt as your new surname.
Manje ke uma esexhumana nawe uGininda ngocingo usekubiza ngalesi sibongo lesi indodana yakho ibicelile ukuthi uGininda usekubiza ngalesi sibongo lesi indodana yakho ibicele ukuthi ushintshele kusona.
Yebo.
Yes.
Kahle ke babu uZungu kanti isilungu yasizwa kancane.
Hayi. Beka nje.
Oh, okay. Hayi akunankinga noma usiza akunankinga. We can proceed, Mr. Zungu. Your conversation with Mr. Gininda.
Asiqhubekeke ngenkulumo yakho naye ubaba uGininda.
Wase uGininda ngase ngimtshela ukuthi mina ngwakwaZungu.
I informed him that I am from Zungu.
Wathi uyalazi yini iphoyisa uZungu na sibani sizwe.
He then inquired from me, do you know a police officer by the same name of Zungu Sizwe?
Ngathi mina ingane yami le uzalwa yimi lo.
I said, that's my child. I gave birth to him.
Wasethi uGininda hayi okay kulungile sobuya sikhulume ngizoke ngibonene uSizwe.
Gininda then said, it's okay, we'll talk again. I will see. I have to see Sizwe.
Angithi uGininda ufona nje ngamazi.
When Gininda called or was calling me, by that time I didn't know him.
Shuthi ke kwagcina lapho.
It ended there.
Ase wahlala sacishelwa umfana mefikile wathatha 2 days 2 weeks engafiki wasefika kwelinye iviki.
It then took 2 weeks. Oh, it was 2 weeks that my son didn't arrive, and then on the other week he arrived.
Mr. Zungu, just before we proceed, the person that you say introduced, he called you by Mzilikazi Kamashobane, you say it's Gininda.
Uthi umuntu owakubiza. Uthi umuntu owakubiza njengomzilikazi kaMashobane uGininda.
Yebo.
Yes.
What gave you the impression that it was Gininda? How did you know that that was Gininda?
Wazi kanjani ukuthi kwakuGininda lokho?
Ngezwe ngomfana wami
I heard from my son
ekhuluma ngayo uGininda.
speaking about Gininda.
Okay, proceed.
Back.
Mshukuthi asefika ngithi sengiqedileke lapha. Wasefika ke futhi umfana wami ngoba ebevese fika ngaze ngambuza ukuthi sefika kwelinye ilanga ke manje. Konye emva ka 2 weeks leshi. Ngambuza ngathi mina usasebenza yini na?
My son then arrived as he usually did. He would just arrive, and then I asked him when he arrived the other week, "Are you still employed?"
Wasethi hayi baba uhleka nje hayi ngisasebenza ukuthi phela ngibhizi ngalokho engibhizi ngakho.
He said it laughingly so that, "Yes, Father, I am still working, but I am busy with what I am busy with, the Meyiwa matter."
Usebeka kokunye uthi baba ngoba ngilapha nje sikhulumile ngithunywe uyogininda.
He then said something else. He said, "Father, I am now here. We spoke, and I have been sent by Gininda."
Uthi manje ucela mina ngimtshele ngimbhekele ngimlayele ngimbhekele intombi kaNtuli ukuthi ihlalaphi.
He then said to me that he now asked me to look around for Ntuli's girlfriend as to where she was staying.
Ngathi mina nizoyenzani lonto?
I then said to him, "But what is it that is now you, not referring to one person, in plural, what are you going to do about this girl?"
Wathi khona sikufunayo mayelana necala lika Meyi.
He said that there's something that we are looking for with regards to the Meyiwa matter.
Ngase ngimtshela ngithi mina lalela wena sizwe mina angisiyona igenge yenu.
I then said to him, "Listen here, Sizwe, I am not a part of you, or I am not your gang."
Ngoba sengembuzile ukuthi uNtuli imuphi waseshiya igama ke lela linyaya elisho wathi kimi anyubani igama.
I then asked him, "Which Ntuli are you referring to?" And then he referred to a name.
Wathi hayi unkani.
He then said, "Nkani."
Ngathi mina uyazi ukuthi obungibuza lokhu nje ngisho ngahlangana naye endleleni unkani lokhuluma ngaye ngaphandle nje kwentombi unkani lokho ombuza kimi angimazi kwayena.
I then said to him, "The Nkani that you are asking me about, let alone the lady, even if I were to meet that Nkani on the street, I do not know him."
Ngathi ke nalo ntombi leyo enishoyo angiyazi yini ningahambi niyoyifunela nina.
I then said to him, "Even the girl or the lady that you are asking me about, I do not know her. Why don't you, in other words, now you, both you and Gininda, go and look for that girl yourselves?"
Ngabeke ngimqambela manga wave swathula du wabuyela emva nalokho engasangichazelanga lutho cha ngizokwenza ukuthi nokuthi wahamba wasethi ngalelanga wavukwa wayihambela. Ngathi cha ngeke ngunike ngeke ngisho noma ngabe ngiyamazi bengeke ngunike oba ngazi ukuthi uzomenza.
I would be lying on his behalf because he did not say anything. He left without saying anything. And I said to him that even if I knew the person, I would not have provided the person or told you about the person because I don't know what is it that you are going to do about the person.
Ishuthi makusuka lapho ke wahlala ngokuthi ingane bese ibifika njalo abantu abangithi bayazi babebuza thawu lona ngithi nayo iphoyisa nami ngikhulume nje ngokukhulu ukukhululeka ukuthi mangitshela ukuthi ayo iphoyisa lo mfana wami.
Because people would also then be asking, "And this one?" And then I would freely tell them that, "No, my son is a police officer."
Okwakungiphatha ke kulo mntana nami ngihlale ngimkhuza njalo wayethi mayefika athi ufuna ababulala uMeyi.
Now, the thing that would then stick with me when my child would arrive is that he would say he is looking for Meyiwa's killers.
Mangidlula ke lapho ke kwase kuthi inyaka ukuthi abuya ngilethele lezi izinto enjengalezi.
It was then quiet. In other words, now with regards to him now bringing me stuff like this.
Yes. Okunye ke engakubeka ngoba phela lento akusiya manje.
And the other thing that I can say, because this is not a recent thing,
ngoba ngaze ngathula ke sengithulile ngase ngibona ke nakho ke sokusuka ke esethi umfana lo wami uyeza uthi uGininde ufuna ukungibona.
And then what then happened now is that my son then informed me that he was coming because Gininda said that he wanted to see me.
Ngathi mina yini inkinga yakhe?
I then asked, what's his problem?
Wasethi kayizokubona. Wase kuthi ngelanga ekseni waseqhamuka lo mfana wami.
I then said, no, he want to see you. And then on the particular morning, my son arrived.
Ngingazange ngimbone efika. Wayefika ngaleso sikhathi esuka la eGoli.
Without me, I just saw him at that particular time. Upon his arrival, he was coming from Gauteng.
Nakho-ke lapho engikhona wathi wathi umfana wami usacelwa uGininde uthi mina ungicela bathi nangu emotweni.
My son then said to me, Gininda is asking for you or asking to see you. I then asked where he is. And he then said he's in the car.
Ngaya-ke vese ngashiya nje nasendlini ngavalile.
I then went there, left the house, not even having closed or locked.
Hayi mangifika lapha wathi hayi awungene emotweni ngisacela uya lapha edrobheni sijikela edrobheni.
When I got to the car, I was then asked or requested to get into the vehicle, get into the car, Zungu, we're just going to make a turn in town.
Yes.
Wahanjwa.
We then left.
Hayi ke engiphethe kabi vese sangigulisa ngisho enhlizweni.
Now this is the thing that is now not sitting well with me, that still makes my heart not to be okay, or makes my heart to be sore.
Imoto ihamba ingangena edrobheni.
When the car traveled and did not make its way into town,
Ngiyawazi ke umgwaqo vese ophuma edolobheni obheka mawuza nje yonke indawo engapha koGoli kobani koBhetali.
I know the route that doesn't go to town and leads you towards Betal and Johannesburg.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Thank you. Now, saying your son arrives you and says, Gininda requests to see you, and you go into the car. Who else was in that vehicle? And let's start here. How many vehicles did you see?
We are sure ukuthi indodana yakho yasithi ke uyacelwa emotweni. Kwakune imoto engaki owayibona?
Ayodwa.
One.
Thank you.
I4x4.
A 4x4.
Now, when you got into the car, were there any other people?
Uma ke usufika noma usungena phakathi emotweni, babe khona abanye abantu ababengaphakathi.
Kwakukhona odrivayo.
Was the driver
Yes.
Naye ke lo Gininda bamkhomsayo umfana.
and the one called Gininda that my son pointed out to me.
Bese kuba ngomunye futhi engamazi.
Another one that's unknown to me,
Kwase kuba yimi.
and then myself.
Yes.
Masifika endleleni sedlula ilokishi yasiyama emoto. Kwakhona ogibelayo.
And then when we drove past the township, the vehicle stopped, and then there was someone who got into the vehicle.
Yeah, and what happened to your son?
Indodana yakho yona kwenzekani na?
Wayekhona.
He was there.
He was part of the people who were in the same vehicle.
Yes.
Was that now the first time that you came across Gininda?
Kwaku ihlandla loqala uhlangana naye uGininda.
Akungelokuqala ngangamazi.
It was the first time he was unknown to me.
But how did you get to know that Gininda was among those people who were in the vehicle?
Manje ke wakwazi kanjani ke ukuthi ke uGininda kwakuyingxenye yabantu ababe lapho kuleyo moto.
Washo umfana lo wami.
My son told me.
What did he say?
Washo wathini?
Wathi uye lo Gininda.
He said, this is Gininda.
So did he point him out and said, this is the Gininda that I've always been talking about?
Ingaba wamkhomba yini wathi uyena uGininda lo ekade ngikhuluma ngaye?
Wamkhomba bathi uye lo hlele eceleni.
He pointed him out and said, it's this one who's seated on the side.
Did Gininda react? Did Gininda say anything?
Uma indodana yakho isho kanjalo, ukhona abakusho yena uGininda?
Akaze xwatshena mina nje. Uye lo Gininda.
No, he did not say anything. My son only told me and said, this is Gininda.
Okay, thank you. You may proceed.
Kwase kugibela omunye ke abangisho nje endleleni owubhuti engamazi.
And then as I'm saying that, along the way, an unknown gentleman then got into the vehicle.
Yes.
Ngase wasethi ke lo ngathi mina ngabuza ukuthi hayibo kanti ningisaphi na
Uma usithi wasethi lo, ubani lo? Ubani lo? Wasethi lo, ubani?
oh ngangibuza nje ngifayela ubani ngabuza ngithi hayibo kanti ningisaphi na ngoba yiba babesemotweni
I then asked them, where are you taking me?
Yes.
Yeah.
wathi lo nomunye asikutshelwa uwe
And then the other one said, we are not going to be told by you.
base benguhanjwa ke kwaphambili ngase ngibona ukuthi hayi so ngathi nami khona lapho sengifike khona ngiyengizwe kukhulunywa khona sengifike khona ukuthi ngifike enkingeni manje
It then registered to me, because I would normally hear people talking, that now I'm in trouble now.
base bemese imoto bangithatha bathi angehlela ngigibele ngemuva lapha kuba kunoseyi nje
The vehicle stopped. I was then instructed to get out of the vehicle and get inside the back, because there was sort of a
ngase
the
ngihlala
witness is referring to something referred to as a sale. I don't know if it's a sale. Yes. I was
ngase
instructed to get into the back. Yeah.
ngase ngihlala nalaba ke emva sengifakwa la ngihlaliswa la
Nalaba.
phansi laba abawuthula ogibelela nalona ngimficela phakathi
And then I was made to sit with these two. The one that was picked up along the way, and then the other one that was seated at the back. I was made to sit with those two.
bathi ke labe ngihleli nabathi wenziwa yini wena ukusho into uvume into ujike uyiphike
And then these people then said, or these others then said to me, why is it that you say something and then deny it again?
uvumeleni ubusuthi wena uvumeleni ukuthi wena akwenziwe lokubusa ushintsha ngithi kuningi wena usukwenzi lokuphikayo
Awuphinde baba.
Ongamukeli.
Uvumeleni, awuphinde baba.
wathi ngivumeleni ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngivume ngesibongo
Okay, why did I agree with regards to the surname, Yebo?
ya bahamba ke nami
They then left with me.
angabe ngisabe nawo kamagama amakhulu
I did not have much to say,
ngoba sengibonile ukuthi khona sokukhona okwenzekayo ngomphefumulo wami
because I could now see that there was something that was now about to happen, or that was now happening with regards to my soul.
bahamba ke nami uduke ngingasithi mina indawo ezinye nje azengiyibona ngoba ngangihlaliswe la phansi lapha emotweni
We then traveled. Some places I could not even see, because I was made to sit down, the witness pointing down where we are standing. I was made to sit down in the vehicle at the back.
Yes.
base beyangitshena ke laba abayile ngihleli nabo
Then
What
the
you-
ones that I was seated with then told me that
thatha lento ke yenzekala uyisela uyisakhona
take what is happening here and take it where you are taking it.
zoke sibone ukuthi uzosebenzaphi ngoba kumanje
We will then see where will you work as in now.
What did you understand by that? I'm getting a little bit. What was the meaning of that in your own understanding?
Wena ke uma uyizwa lenkulumo yayisho ukuthini ngokunokwakho nje, leyo nkulumo leyo yayisho ukuthini?
ngafe ngavikelwa ukuthi bayongibulala la
Something that just came to me, that these one now were now going to kill me.
Okay, Mr. Zungu, I realize that it is exactly 1 o'clock.
wafika
Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sihambe siyodlala manje.
What is happening here at court, Mr. Zungu, is that at 1 o'clock we adjourn to give all these people that are working in here time to go and have something in their stomach. Then we reconvene again at 2.
Okwenzekayo ke noma ke indlela ke kwenziwa ngayo la enkantolo, uma nje selishayileke lokuqala ihora, ukuthi ke bonke abantu abala ngaphakathi bahambe ke bayodla, umuntu athola isikhathi ukuthi sikuyodliwa, so sibuya ke uma segameni futhi elesibili ihora.
That also gives you an opportunity to get maybe a drink or something into your stomach.
Nawe lokho kukunikeza ithuba ke baba ukuthi ke uhambe ke uyothola into ukuthi uphuze noma udle.
Do you understand?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. My Lord, may we adjourn for lunchtime.
yeah